Greetings of the day. I recently came across a wonderful statement that I want to share with you today. It goes like this: nothing great has ever been built on the foundation of excuses, so let's stop them. A sensible piece of advice indeed. Excuses, excuses, excuses. Every day we hear them, every day we mouth them. What are some of the excuses we commonly make? I can only do this much. I'm too poor. I had a poor education. I'm so scared. I have no time. I'm so busy. I'll do it tomorrow. Okay. Now, are you aware of the thought process behind these excuses? Are you sure you're telling yourself the truth? No. On the contrary, you are shying away from the truth. You are merely trying to avoid or hide your unfounded fears. Fear of change, fear of the unknown, fear of the failure, and so on and so forth. Most of the excuses are self-created delusions designed to avoid facing your self-pity and fear. You know, successful people don't make excuses. They dare, they act, they would rather make a mistake than give in to fear. Remember, happy people build up their inner world. Unhappy people blame their outer world. Here I am reminded of a story. A little boy asked his grandpa for a story. The old man began with the story of the two wolves. You see, my child, he said, every one of us has two wolves inside us. One wolf is evil. He is full of anger, envy, greed, excuses, self-pity, and the list is endless. And the other wolf is good. He is full of joy, love, care, compassion, generosity, and here too the list is endless. Every day these two wolves fight inside us. The little fellow interrupted, "Which wolf will win, Grandpa?" The old man replied, "The one you feed more, of course." Now let me ask you, which wolf would you feed and which wolf would you starve? Remember, happy people, successful people always feed their good wolf and starve their bad wolf. In other words, learn to feed your good qualities and good habits and starve your bad habits and weaknesses. In this case, learn to starve your tendency to bring up excuses when life poses problems and opportunities. Face the difficulties, grab the opportunities with no excuses. That's a win-win approach, right? Have a great day. Stay blessed. Thank you.